Welcome back once again to this web series and episodes where we take the questions from all the aspirants and answer them and help them make a transition from their current roles into careers into data sciences. Hi, my name is Mayuresh. I am the co-founder at GreyAtom and I look after the admissions and counseling. Thank you so much for sending all the questions my way, and I've been very happy to take all of them and answer some of them through these forums. We have a very relevant and interesting question.
Certifications. Do they really matter for data sciences?
So, the reason why you are taking up data sciences, the reason why you are putting in so much effort and time and also investing monetarily in the same is so that you are able to pivot your career from your current role into data sciences. So, the key objective, the end state is not really the certification, but actually that you are able to make a successful career transition into data science. It's very important to know where you are heading. It's not the certification, but it's the destination, and the destination is you have a sustainable career track. I'm telling this from a very first-hand perspective because we talk to a lot of industry partners. So companies that come to us and whom we interact with on a regular basis, and these are both product companies and services companies, they're very clear that they hire for skill. Secondly, data sciences as a discipline, as a stream, is a very rapidly evolving field. Unlike some of the very well established certifications like say CCNA, which are Cisco certified certifications. So these are extremely established certificates where you have very well defined competencies that you have to prove to be able to get those certificates, and you're able to then be extremely portable in the job market. The certifications for data sciences are extremely non-standard. There are certifications for various big data technologies, and there are a few certifications that are also on offer for certain machine learning algorithms and libraries, so on and so forth. However, I think the same libraries that we are talking about and the whole discipline is in such a state of flux. Certification is not the best way to evaluate whether you are up to the mark or not up to the mark for this particular field. Third, very quick trend that we see over here is that there are programs which offer you co-branded certificates with different companies or different universities or bodies. So I think it's just one of those things where you really need to be able to value what this co-branding really means. Is it really going to add a significant weight to the CV or to the application process? So I think making that shift, having that career transition is essentially about having a very strong portfolio, coming very strongly in the interview process, demonstrating that you have the excellence and the content and the stuff that's needed and necessary to be successful in the career program. I think just to summarize the way we would like to put it across, certifications for a very evolving discipline in a very non-standard kind of a way probably are not the best way to gauge anyone's capability or lack of it. The modern day recruiter is extremely smart and understands this. What they are more and more looking forward to is a demonstrated excellence, demonstrated proof that you have done it, you know how to do it, and you will deliver the goods once they onboard you. So my very genuine advice to you would be is pay less and less attention to certification, focus on skill, focus on building a portfolio, deliver the goods and make the transition. All the best.